Hi everyone, Pete from Troll Emporium here. So on this video we're going to be making this picture frame. So you're going to need your lollipop sticks, string, card, and then there's some more pom-poms and buttons in your pack so you can decorate it. And then just some felt tips and some glue. So you're going to start off by making the frame. So you're going to put one down and get another one. Put a little, tiny little bit of dab of glue, don't need loads, and squish them together like so. Put this one here. Then you need one on the other side here. Put that there. And then your last two lollipop sticks just go on top. Like so. Just pull off any bits of glue. Next, just get your string and you're going to tie this on the ones that are just the single lollipop stick, not the ones with the gap. Just tie that on. Next, you're going to cut out a bit of card so it can slide in the picture frame. So you just want to make it a bit smaller than the frame. So just test fit it, a bit too big, snip a bit off. There we go. So that's in. So now you can draw on that, do what you want, and then you can also use your buttons, your pom-poms and your wool to decorate it all, along with your felt tip pens. I'm going to do a colourful pattern. There you go, all done.